Hi class, let's take a look at another problem. Now, in this case, this particular one, you have the 2x squared, which is going to differentiate to 0, and then a cosine that we just have to be very careful with the sign, but it's easy to integrate. So let me actually rewrite the problem in this form. So this one applies for tabular integration because you technically have the 2x squared, which is a function that is going to be differentiating to 0, and then the cosine of x. So this is a 2x squared, and then this will be the cosine of x. So to not mess up the actual signs, let me first take the derivatives of 2x squared. So the first derivative is going to be the values of 4x, then value by followed by 4, and then technically 0. So this one's going to stop here. And then we're going to integrate cosine. So the integral cosine is actually a sine of x. And then we're going to integrate sine. So this is going to give us a negative cosine of x. And then careful, we already have a negative. So integrating negative cosine, it's going to give us the negative sine of x. And then we're going to do the pairing of the problem in this actual form. We don't need to go to 0 because technically 0 will multiply the next one. And then the part that we have to be very careful is the changing of the signs. So that's a positive, that's a minus, that's a positive, and technically the other one doesn't matter. So let me rewrite the problem, and I think I'm gonna have to rewrite this one entirely. I think we can fit it here. So the actual problem that we're dealing is with the integral of 2x squared cosine of x dx, which is going to be equal to the following. The multiplication of the first terms. So in this case, 2x squared times sine of x. So this is a 2x squared sine of x. And then technically it was a minus, but minus and a minus is going to be a plus. Plus a 4x cosine of x. And then plus the minus of these two because of this minus. So minus a 4 sine of x. The next one is going to actually zero out, plus the constant of integration. In this case, this happens to be our final answer. Our answer is just actually a little bit long. But that would be it for this one.